Sesto Elemento, Koenigseggs, Cinque, Traffic, SV3. Guys, it's the Thursday of car week. We're waiting here for an insane convoy of hypercars. But before we start today, because things are going to get crazy, Koenigsegg rally's here, everybody's here now, and today is the first day of the kind of peak madness. Like, again, random Gunther works, but we've been getting like no sleep every night to get you guys these videos. So if you can subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the rest of the videos for the weekend, but let's start seeing some absolute craziness. Now, this is not a part of the hypercar convoy. We are still just waiting for them, but McLaren Senna. Okay, now that's cool. Diablo SV. Guys, first random road spot of a 911 SC. Solid spec too. Going to Quail maybe? LFA, what? What? Morning traffic, SV3. And more traffic. Here we go. Oh, that's a good spec setup. We got some whips. Oh, sign Enzo. And the world record car. Oh guys, we're still cooking. I thought we're done. Got more, we got more. Silver F40. LP 650. And a 918. Okay, we got the Hennesy F5, sick car, BAC mono, SC2 Atara, another one, and best of all, the GT2 RS. Best of all. And Koenigsegg's biggest fan right here, Hamilton Collection, yes, go. Oh, that's Matt Armstrong, I think. We got more cars. Diablo SV, the P1. Guys, we're cooking. Hey, Mercy. SV, guys, this is non-stop. Gera HH, I guess it's white now. I didn't even know that. Hey, let's go. Mansouri, 4GT Lemon Surrey, let's go. Senna, some other cars. It's okay. Car week, rain day. We got a Gordon Murray Le Mans car. Just center seats. Just rainy Starbucks spots in car week. Here, Trenton is driving by. There's just cars everywhere. Still early morning, and the leap doesn't stop, guys. You never know what you're gonna see. Is that a Diablo GT? Yes, it is, guys. Diablo GT 1 of 80. Okay, guys, Curated is hosting a Diablo rally, so of course it's a Centenario and a Murcielago, but here's the Diablos and Gallardos and everything. In the rain. There's a lot of cars, guys. Guys, we've been fumbling today. First time we saw the Sesto, barely saw it. We're facing that way for the Diablo rally. I hear Stefan yell, "Oh, Sesto," runs out of the car. Couldn't get a video in time. I got a few phone pictures, but here, let me show you guys. Just, we're looking that way. Sesto comes from that way. Oh, guys, see? Literally, this is nuts. The Hennessy's. Oh, man. Stefan, good call. Good call. That's the, yeah, let's go.
Like rain and wet road.
Guys, here they come. Here they come. Trying to get a shot. Green. And a Diablo GT, the one we saw earlier. Oh yeah, let's go. F spot back. He's alive, guys. You guys were worried, but he's alive. Well, the car we were hoping to see. Guys, Car Week desensitizes you to a crazy amount. Hold on, sorry for the wipers being loud. McLaren Senna right there. Gonna film it real quick. Yeah, not bad. The Valkyrie we've been seeing in a few of the videos is literally in the Starbucks parking lot right there, but we're just gonna keep going.
6 minutes. The Brunei
Oh,
car.
sick! Yeah, Brunei 4. See, that's cooler to us than a Valkyrie, I think.
Yeah.
Like, there's a story.
That one's cool.
And yeah, you just don't expect to see it. It's like, if you know, you know. But we've already seen Valkyries. It's in a parking lot. We could go get more pictures, but we want to get the element of surprise. We're driving around. We don't know what we'll see. We're going to go check the places. A lot of stuff's here. It's better to be surprised, guys.
We're playing Pokemon in real life.
Exactly. See, guys, at the end of the week, we want to see more like this. We got
a
tree and a Monterey 4 GT for 2 seconds. Oh, someone dropped their tennis ball.
That's cool with the wing up, though.
So, we saw this car here yesterday. It's a Zonda Cinque. Possibly the car that people want to see at Car Week this year the most. We have reason to believe it should pass by here in the next maybe 10 or so minutes. So we're gonna take our chances, stand on the side of the road, and hopefully we get it coming in. Like, we got it, we got what we wanted plus more. When I said potentially the best car Week, the second one is this. So Sesto Elemento, SF90XX, Cinque. Well, I guess we did it. And we got a Koenigsegg Regera right here. Oh. And a Pista. And the random SF90XX for next to in traffic. Is that even the one we saw leaving earlier or a different one? I think it's not the same one we saw like 10 minutes ago.
No, it is the same one.
It's the one that... Okay, sure. Okay, guys, so again, average traffic here. Murcielago, dude. Stefan is blind this here.
4GT.
Yeah, here, guys.
Oh, and an Enzo, Silver Enzo.
What?
Look, Silver Enzo.
Oh, well, good thing I'm filming. So, guys, I literally wanted to show you guys what traffic looks like in Car Week, because I was going to be like, oh, look, SF90XX in front of us. Let's just randomly glance. We'll see some cool cars. Didn't expect that. LP640, 4GT, and then Enzo. 360. Like, guys, regular traffic in Car Week is just insane. Like, it's not really that many normal cars. Even here, it's a Hellcat and a Bentley. It's not crazy special, but it's all enthusiast cars. It's all cars with personality. I'll zoom in. Whatever comes, there's gonna be some cool cars in traffic, no matter where you go.
Cheer on.
Chiron.
Heading towards
6x6,
CBR.
918. Okay, so guys, this is I think the first MC12 we've seen this year, so it's a little bit echoey in here, but bear with me. One of 50 cars. Next to that is a Gunther Works, and look at the size difference. Like, they had to park this diagonally because this is one of the biggest supercars you will ever see. And the driveway here is pretty crazy. The Diablo VT60, the Huayra Roadster, the Senna roof, CTR3, A12 comp Aperta that we saw yesterday, and then also a Ferrari F40. Not bad at all. Okay, we're going with Stefan right now to shoot the Huayra Roadster.
I've never shot this car.
That's actually pretty surprising. I thought we might have done something with them, but I think we always do the Bugattis and stuff, right?
Yeah, we've done the Bugattis, the Sabre. We didn't do the Bugatti last year. We didn't do any of them this year. So this was one I've always wanted to like spend time with. So.
Let's do it. Spotter one already on it, but I think when we get to the location, it's gonna get flooded. Oh, look at these! Look at these amateurs! Goddamn spotters just trying to crash every shoot.
What up? Hey, can you shoot my Tacoma?
I think we got leapers here. We got leapers here. We got more here. Probably more coming. People are turning in. It was completely empty here, and it's not going to be for very long. More people. The more BMWs you'll see, the more cameras are going to come out. More and more. Just everybody flocking, guys. Everybody is slowly flocking over. Stefan, how long have we been here?
Like less than 3 minutes.
Yeah, this is every car that pulls in, pretty much. Especially the more BMWs you see, the more you're gonna see cameras out. Monterey car spotters have a better response time than the police department, guys. That's what it is. Guys, yep, we called it. That is car week. The leapers are on it. They know what they're doing. They're not gonna miss anything. Oh, we got a Ferrari F40, guys. Let's go. We didn't even realize there's this pretty cool lineup actually of cars. We got back-to-back 997 GT3 RSs, both 0.2s, 360. Is that a roof wheels on this 996? I don't know if it's a full roof. GTR, Gallardo. Yeah, it's pretty good stuff. Everybody's kind of out right now. It's main driving day, I think, this and maybe some of Saturday, but this is one of the only days where everybody's here and nobody's like kind of stuck at an event. Oh, the Comp Aperta.
Oh, it's a new one.
Oh, oh yeah, that's not the same one.
Oh,
something pink is coming.
that's red.
No, not that.
Oh,
that's what I'm talking about.
I didn't see that.
Shmi 150, is that you? Let's see. Is that 599? Yeah, 599 GTO. Yeah, good job. Stefan spotted that. It's funny because it might be hard to see in the video, but every time they pass anybody, the car coming towards them has their phones out already taking pictures. Everybody knows to just be ready. You never know what you're gonna see. GT2 RS and an Evo. Evo's pretty cool. Guys, we are dealing with the maze of 17 Mile, and I think we're not the only ones. Who is it? Oh man, yep.
Yep.
The issue when it comes closer to the weekend is Pebble Beach is happening around here, one of the biggest shows around the world, and the problem is they keep closing every road that leads anywhere that might interfere with them setting it up, but it's kind of hard to know where you're going here, and navigation doesn't really work because there's not a lot of cell service here. And it's kind of hard to figure out where you got to go because it's not showing that the roads are closed. So you kind of get stuck going around in loops, getting blocked from one place to another, and it takes you probably about an hour to figure out how to get out of here. This is just everywhere we try to go, we just get turned to another spot that leads us back to another road, turns us back to this road. Yep, so trying to go for lunch with them, and we cannot figure out where to go. Every single turn where we got to go is closed. Brutal traffic because of all these closures, but at least we get to see some cars. SF90XX. Oh, we got Vehicle Virgins, Parker. love Ferrari. Cooper Aperta. I think that was an Aperta. Speciale. Not bad. I think we made it just in time for what we were trying to see. Got some Bugattis here. Bugatti's up there. It's like, I think a Bugatti rally again. I don't really know. I'm just along for the ride today. Bugatti's up at that house. Bugatti's here, and some other cars as well. Valor, but if we look, I just realized up there is a Tourbillon that I guess we misroll in. Right there.
Let me actually pull you up here, and if we get these. You guys just want to pull up this side. We're going to figure out what to do with you guys. We might move you up and around to get those last couple of drivers in.
Lancia Delta and the green Veyron. This is apparently a recommissioned Veyron, and it has comfort seats. Unbelievably rare to see comfort seats on a Veyron. Pretty good lineup right there. Okay, so got distracted by whatever that orange thing is, but 918, not bad. Non-white stack. But yeah, I don't know what that thing is. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. Do we think it's that GT1 thing from last year?
What GT1 thing?
The one that's like it's not right?
No, not the Tuttle Hill. No.
So,
It's like a kit based out of like Sweden or Poland. One of the two, and is made to be. It's like inspired by the GT1, like Stassen.
Exactly. But I don't know. It is what it is. Pretty cool actually though. Looks a bit like the Gambala-ish, but I like it. And we got a roof CTR3. Second one of the day. Pretty good. And the Camaro as well. Okay, so we're at the Hyatt. We're gonna go. There's a few cars there that are worth looking at, but got out of the car and there's a random piece over there. Guys, I was gonna film the car that's right over there, but I just noticed this plate right here, McDouble. So here we have the Camaro, and hearing whoever knows what we're hearing. There's just been car noises all day. Roof CTR3. I think they're most based on the Cayman, but it's like a stretched out roof. This is like the 250 mile an hour one. I think we saw this car at the factory in 2023. I think, I don't know, 30 of these made or so. Well, we know the birds have been enjoying this car quite a bit, guys. Casual traffic, just finishing off the night with a little Enzo.
Way to end the vlog. Wow.
First I'm in the Benzo.
Next I'm in the Enzo.